welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this look. This is inspired by Jennie's How You Like That teaser photo, and this video is in collaboration with my friend Charlotte. Her channel is called Be Lorraine. She does a lot of Korean skincare, product reviews, hauls, and also makeup. So she will be doing Lisa's makeup look from the How You Like That teaser photos. Her video would be linked down in the description box below, so do not forget to check her video and channel out as well. And before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's begin by priming, and for that I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer, and I'm gonna place this on my cheeks and my nose, basically where my problem area is. For foundation, I'm using the NYX Skin Star Moon Star foundation in the shade 12 Classic Tan, and I'm gonna blend it all over my face with the help of a beauty blender. You can use a buffing brush, a foundation brush, your fingers, whatever you're comfortable with. For concealer, I'm using the WetnWild Photofocus concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan, and I'm going to place it on my under eyes, around my mouth, and my scars. I'm gonna let the concealer sit so that it thickens up and the coverage gets more, and in the meantime I'm gonna do my brows. For that, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I'm gonna blend out the concealer, and I'm using a dense concealer brush. You can use a beauty blender too if you want to. After blending out the concealer, I'm going to use a lighter concealer, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline FitMe concealer in the shade Medium 30, and I'm going to place this on the middle of my face to bring the center of my face forward and to highlight the center of my face. And I'm going to blend this all out with the same concealer brush. After that, I'm gonna set my under eyes with the help of a loose powder, and I'm using the Fit Me loose powder in the shade 25 medium, and I'm gonna use a small fluffy brush and just set my under eyes. For bronzing, I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep. However, I didn't feel like Jennie was wearing any bronzer in this makeup look, but I'm just going to bronze the parameters of my face. And I'm going to contour my nose with the same bronzer, and I'm gonna draw two lines on my nose bridge as close as I can, and then I'm going to draw a little V on the tip of my nose and blend it all out. To prep my eyes, I'm going to use the same concealer and blend it out with my fingers. You can use a concealer brush or a beauty blender, whatever you like. I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Chocolate Palette, and I'm going to use the Camel Brown shade. You just want to use like a brown beige shade and place it all over your lids. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette, and I'm going to take this red and pink shadow, take it on a dense brush, and I'm going to start building up the color on my lower lash line, and once I feel like there is little to no pigment left on the brush, I'm going to bring it down into like an inverted triangle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just that's the shape that you want to achieve, and you want to go back and forth, adding colors, and once you feel like there's no product left on the brush, dragging it down, and keep going back and forth until you're happy with the pigmentation. And once you're happy with the pigmentation, just take a fluffy clean brush and just kind of buff out the edges to make it look more seamless. I'm just gonna draw a tiny teensy little wing with the help of the NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Brown. Then you just want to curl your lashes and apply mascara. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, and I'm just going to coat my upper and lower lashes. For lips, I'm using the Benefit tints. I'm gonna use Love tint all over my lips just to add a little bit of color to my lips, and I'm going to add it and blend it out. After that, I'm gonna use Cha Cha tint, which is a lot more peachier in color. I'm gonna use Cha Cha tint over Love tint to make it look a little more like a peach red, like a mix of both colors. After that, I'm going to top it off with a gloss. I'm going to use the Essence Clear Gloss, which is not clear anymore because I keep using it on top of colored lipstick, and it's just not clear anymore. Last but not the least, I'm going to highlight my chin, my cheeks, the tip of my nose, and bridge of my nose. That is all. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to check out my friend's video as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.